Frustrated with the pesky 9203 error popping up every time you launch the game on your PC? No worries, I've got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through 3 straightforward solutions to tackle this notorious 9203 error code. Let's get into it without wasting any more time. Solution 1. Switch server locations. Open the Genshin Impact launcher, then click Launch. Before entering the game, choose a different server: Europe, America, Asia, Taiwan, Hong Kong, or Macau. Next, confirm your selection. Now start the game and check for the error. Solution 2. Granting Genshin Impact internet access through Windows Firewall. To do this, right-click on the Genshin Impact shortcut on your desktop. To do this, right-click on Genshin Impact shortcut on your desktop and select Open File Location. Then copy the file path from the address bar. Next, search for Firewall and Network Protection and open it. After that, click on Allow an app through Firewall and then change settings. Then click on Allow another app and hit Browse. Next, paste the previous copied file path into the bar and press Enter. Then double-click on Launcher and click Add. Now, let's run through that process one more time, but this time for the Genshin Impact folder inside the game directory. And don't forget to perform the identical steps for the ZF Game Browser program. Locate it in the plugins folder within the Genshin Impact space data directory nestled inside your Genshin Impact game folder. Lastly, click OK and restart your computer. After that, reboot and check if the error persists. Solution 3. Repair the game. When all else fails, repairing the game might be the key. Open the Genshin Impact launcher, click the hamburger icon next to launch, select the Repair Now. Confirm to initiate the repair process. After verification and repair, click Confirm and then Launch. And there you have it, 3 solid fixes for the irritating 9203 error in Genshin Impact on your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.